Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to embed a YouTube video on Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and to embed a video on your Squarespace site, first you need to log in to your Squarespace account by filling your email address and password. Now click on this website button below your desired website. To get into the editing mode, you need to click on this edit button from the top. Now select the section where you want to add your video. Let's say that we want to add it in this section. Click on add block button and look for video. Click on this video block. Now place it where you want. Then click on this little pen. Click on add a video and select add from link. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bainsexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Copy the URL of your YouTube video and paste it just like that. Click on add, and this is how to add a video in Squarespace. Don't forget to save your work in order to not lose your editing. Now to preview your website live, click on exit and go into this preview mode. And this is your video on your Squarespace website. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.